In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar language and country settings. Whether you're moving to a new country, learning a new language, or just wanting to customize your calendar to better suit your needs, altering these settings is a simple and straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can adjust your Google Calendar with ease and comfort. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar on your computer. Simply go to your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon, which looks like a little cog. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu, and here, you'll want to select Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page where you can start making changes. Now, let's focus on changing the language. On the settings page, look at the left menu and find the section labeled Language and Region. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in this section, you'll notice an option that says Language. Here, you can click on the drop-down list to see all the available languages. Whether you want to switch to English, Spanish, Japanese, or any other language, you can find your preferred option there. After making your choice, Google Calendar will automatically reload in the new language, making everything viewable in your selected preference. Pretty handy, right? Alright, now let's move on to changing the country and regional settings. Staying within the language and region section, you'll find several other options that allow you to tailor your calendar even more. The first option is Country, which determines the default holidays displayed on your calendar as well as regional formats. Changing this is beneficial if you want your events and holidays to align with the customs and public holidays of a different place. You can also change the time zone, which is crucial for making sure your events show up at the correct times. Additionally, there's an option for date format, which lets you choose between formats like MMM, DDYYY, or DDMMMYYYY, depending on what you're comfortable with. Finally, there's the Week Starts On setting. Choose the day your week begins, be it Sunday, Monday, or another day, depending on your country's usual start to the week. Customizing these settings can make a significant difference in how you organize your weekly schedule. Once you've made all your desired changes, there's no need to worry about hitting a save button, as most changes will save automatically. To see your updated calendar complete with new holidays, time formats, and regional adjustments, simply refresh the page. And there you have it, all set to enjoy your newly customized Google Calendar in your chosen language and format. Thanks for watching.